Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Workday interview questions focused on human capital management. Workday is a leading cloud-based enterprise software platform that specializes in human resources and financial management. In today's competitive job market, understanding Workday's HCM capabilities is crucial for anyone pursuing roles in HR technology, enterprise software implementation, or business process management. Throughout this session, we'll explore 4 key areas that are frequently discussed in Workday interviews. First, HR processes and workflows, which form the backbone of any human resources operation. Second, payroll management, a critical function that ensures accurate and timely compensation. Third, talent management, which encompasses performance reviews, career development, and succession planning. Finally, analytics and reporting, which provide data-driven insights for strategic decision-making. These topics represent the core competencies that employers expect from Workday professionals. Let's begin with fundamental Workday concepts that every candidate should understand. Workday's architecture is built on a cloud-based, multi-tenant model that ensures scalability, security, and continuous updates. When discussing basic architecture, be prepared to explain how Workday's cloud infrastructure eliminates the need for on-premise servers and provides automatic updates with each release. Data security is paramount in Workday, utilizing enterprise-grade encryption, role-based access controls, and comprehensive audit trails. The multi-tenant model means multiple organizations share the same software instance while maintaining complete data isolation and customization capabilities. System integration is another critical area. Workday Web Services enable seamless connectivity with external systems through both SOAP and REST protocols. Understanding the difference between EIB, or Enterprise Interface Builder, and Workday Studio is essential. EIB is designed for simpler, batch-based integrations, while Studio provides more sophisticated, real-time integration capabilities for complex business scenarios. The HR Business Process Framework is the foundation of how Workday manages human resources operations. Understanding this 3-step framework is essential for any Workday professional. The first step is Configure, where you establish business processes and approval workflows. This involves defining who can initiate processes, what approvals are required, and how notifications are sent. Configuration also includes setting up security groups and defining business rules that govern how processes behave. The second step is Execute, where the configured processes run automatically with proper routing and notifications. During execution, Workday handles task assignments, sends reminders, and manages escalations according to your predefined rules. The third step is Monitor, where you track progress and generate compliance reports. This includes reviewing completed transactions, identifying bottlenecks, and ensuring regulatory compliance. Key interview focus areas include business process definition, approval matrix configuration, event-driven processing, and security model implementation. Understanding how these elements work together demonstrates comprehensive knowledge of Workday's operational framework. Payroll management in Workday encompasses the entire employee compensation lifecycle. Understanding payroll processing begins with recognizing the core calculation flow. Base salary and overtime hours are combined to calculate total earnings, then taxes and benefits are subtracted to determine net pay. However, the real complexity lies in the configuration and validation processes. Pre-payroll validation checks ensure data accuracy before processing begins. These checks verify employee eligibility, validate earning codes, and confirm tax withholding information. The payroll results review process allows HR teams to examine calculations before finalizing payments, providing an opportunity to catch and correct any discrepancies. Key components include pay groups and pay periods, which determine when and how employees are paid. Earning and deduction codes define different types of compensation and withholdings. Tax authority configuration ensures compliance with federal, state, and local tax requirements. Payroll interface generation creates files for external systems like banks and general ledgers. Year-end processing handles W-2 and 1099 forms, making tax reporting seamless and compliant. Talent management in Workday focuses on developing and retaining employees throughout their career journey. Performance management includes several interconnected components. Goal setting and tracking allows employees and managers to establish objectives and monitor progress throughout the performance period. Performance reviews provide structured feedback opportunities, while 360-degree feedback incorporates input from peers, subordinates, and other stakeholders. The calibration process ensures consistency in performance ratings across different managers and departments. Career development encompasses multiple strategic initiatives. Career planning helps employees identify growth opportunities and required skills. Succession planning ensures business continuity by identifying and developing future leaders. Learning and development programs provide targeted training to close skill gaps. Talent pools group high-potential employees for special development programs. The talent review process follows a systematic approach. Assessment involves evaluating current performance and potential. Calibration ensures fair and consistent evaluations across the organization. Development focuses on creating targeted growth plans. This comprehensive approach ensures that organizations can identify, develop, and retain their most valuable human resources while building a strong leadership pipeline for the future. Analytics and reporting capabilities in Workday provide powerful insights for data-driven decision-making. Understanding different report types is fundamental for any Workday professional. Standard reports offer pre-built templates for common HR metrics like headcount, turnover, and compensation analysis. Matrix reports display data in cross-tabulated formats, ideal for comparing metrics across different dimensions like departments or locations. Composite reports combine multiple data sources into unified dashboards, providing comprehensive views of organizational performance. Dashboard analytics offer real-time visualizations that update automatically as data changes. Discovery boards enable self-service analytics, allowing users to explore data and create custom visualizations without technical expertise. Trending analytics identify patterns over time, helping organizations spot emerging issues or opportunities. Custom calculated fields extend reporting capabilities beyond standard data points. The example shows how to create a conditional calculation for annual bonuses based on employee type. Full-time employees receive 15% of their base salary as a bonus, while part-time employees receive 0. This demonstrates how Workday's calculated fields can implement complex business logic directly within reports, eliminating the need for external calculations and ensuring data consistency across all reporting outputs. Security and access control form the foundation of Workday's data protection strategy. Understanding security domains is crucial for maintaining proper access controls. Role-based access control ensures that users only access information and functions appropriate to their job responsibilities. Domain security policies define what data users can view, modify, or process within specific functional areas. Business process security controls who can initiate, approve, or complete various HR transactions. User management encompasses several key components. Security group assignments determine what permissions users inherit based on their roles. Delegation of authority allows temporary assignment of responsibilities, useful during vacations or organizational changes. Session management controls how long users remain logged in and what happens when sessions expire. These security measures work together to ensure that sensitive HR data remains protected while enabling users to perform their job functions efficiently. Proper security configuration prevents unauthorized access to confidential information like salary data, performance reviews, and personal employee information. Understanding these concepts demonstrates knowledge of enterprise-level data protection requirements and regulatory compliance considerations that are essential in today's business environment. Integration methods in Workday enable seamless connectivity with external systems and data sources. Understanding different integration types is essential for implementing comprehensive HR solutions. EIB, or Enterprise Interface Builder, provides a user-friendly interface for creating batch integrations without programming knowledge. It's ideal for regular data uploads like new hire information or benefits enrollment updates. Workday Studio offers advanced integration capabilities for complex, real-time scenarios requiring custom logic and error handling. Web services support both SOAP and REST protocols, enabling real-time data exchange with external applications. Core connectors provide pre-built integrations with popular HR systems, payroll providers, and background check services. Report as a Service, or RAS, allows external systems to retrieve Workday data through automated report generation. The web service call example demonstrates a typical integration pattern. After importing the request library, you define the endpoint URL for your Workday tenant and service. Authorization headers contain the security token required for access. The POST request sends XML payload data to Workday and receives a response. This pattern enables real-time data synchronization between Workday and external systems, ensuring consistent information across your entire technology ecosystem. Technical scenarios test your ability to apply Workday knowledge to real-world business challenges. Implementation scenarios focus on complex configuration requirements. Handling organizational restructures involves updating reporting relationships, transferring employees between departments, and maintaining historical data integrity. Designing custom approval workflows for promotions requires understanding business rules, approval hierarchies, and notification requirements. Configuring multi-country payroll processing involves setting up different tax authorities, currencies, and local compliance requirements. Troubleshooting scenarios test your problem-solving skills under pressure. Resolving integration failures with third-party systems requires analyzing error logs, testing connectivity, and identifying data mapping issues. Debugging incorrect payroll calculations involves reviewing earning codes, tax configurations, and employee-specific overrides. Fixing security access issues for managers requires understanding role assignments, security groups, and domain permissions. Success in these scenarios demonstrates not just theoretical knowledge, but practical experience in implementing and maintaining Workday solutions. Employers value candidates who can think critically about complex business requirements and translate them into effective Workday configurations. These scenarios also test your ability to communicate technical solutions to non-technical stakeholders. Congratulations on completing this comprehensive overview of Workday interview topics. Success in Workday interviews requires a balanced approach combining technical expertise with business understanding. Technical knowledge forms the foundation of your credibility. Master core HCM concepts including business processes, security models, and integration methods. Understand how different Workday modules interact and complement each other. Practical experience sets you apart from other candidates. Share real-world scenarios where you've solved complex problems or implemented innovative solutions. Discuss challenges you've faced and how you overcame them. Employers value candidates who can learn from experience and apply those lessons to new situations. Business understanding demonstrates your strategic thinking abilities. Connect technical solutions to business value by explaining how Workday implementations improve efficiency, reduce costs, or enhance employee experience. Show that you understand HR operations beyond just the technology. Continuous learning reflects your commitment to professional growth. Workday releases new features regularly, and successful professionals stay current with platform developments. Mention recent certifications, training programs, or community involvement. During your interview, focus on demonstrating both technical expertise and business acumen. This combination shows that you can not only implement Workday solutions, but also contribute to strategic HR initiatives.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.